All right, guys, Happy New Year. This is Matthieu DeClerck coming at you from the Hippo Studios in Hollywood, California, joined by Matthew Delaney at the Hippo Studios in Alabama. Matt, how are you?
I'm good. I think if you claim Hollywood, I know you're not in Hollywood, then I should be able to be Birmingham, not just Alabama. But I'm well and honest about where I come from. Thank you. The Magic
We're
City.
in the Woodland Hill right next to the Hollywood. It's all the same
It's the
thing.
Birmingham of Southern California.
We're going to be talking about this article. This is The Horses Out of the Barn by William Sullivan and Judith Tintinelli. So they're talking a little bit about a crew of ER docs that were fired and completely replaced by APPs, by some nurse practitioners. And so it's a great read because that's a controversial point. Some people are very pro APPs. Some people are worried that they're taking all of our jobs. Matt, where do you kind of fall on the fence in terms of APPs and how you like to work with them or use them in the ER setting?
Yeah, I'm not going to touch that topic. I mean, it's a great topic. I know tons of great advanced practice providers, but I think we are in a very kind of controversial, heated landscape right now in terms of the roles that each of us have to play. So I commend these guys. We need to have this conversation, but me personally, I don't have the tact, the nuance, or the know-how to really navigate this correctly at all.
You're too extreme to give your answer. I like that. The way I see it really is they're part of the team, and I agree. They should be trained, and they should have the skill sets that we work really hard to get to, and a lot of them do, but I like having them as part of our armamentarium in terms of dealing with the hordes of patients that we get. Because the reality is there's just not enough ER physicians. If you ask me, hey, Matt, would you rather be on a shift by yourself or with maybe one other physician as opposed to a shift with 3 APPs helping you out? I'm always going to choose the more the merrier. It just helps decompress that burden and that workload of the patients that we have waiting in the waiting room.
Yeah, this topic, this is the tip of the iceberg. So this is a great read. Undoubtedly, there's going to be a lot more coming from this kind of neighborhood of thought.